What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Bruh, listen. Y'all so fake, man. Oh boy, y'all so fake. Oh, okay. Why don't we keep the same energy? Why? For the love of me, I cannot figure out why we don't keep the same energy when it comes to certain sneakers. Are we sneaker snobs? That's the answer I'm kind of leaning to. And no, I'm not calling you a sneaker snob. What I'm saying is, why don't we keep that same energy when we talk about certain sneakers, right? Because for a long time it was, I don't wear shoes that Jordan didn't wear. I only wear numbered Jordans, right? Anything else outside of that, they Team Jordans, right? Team Jordans. Yeah, that was the standard, or that was what everybody was saying. Oh, I don't wear mids because Jordan didn't wear those. Okay, what about these? These. Oh, and these. Definitely these. Those are just a few of the sneakers that they got a bad rap. Me personally, I'm with the 2.3s, I'm with the 11s, I'm with the, not those, I'm with the RTM, I'm with those, right? Just because I like the cut of the sneaker, I just like the sneaker. And that's what we need to go back to. We need to go back to, if you like it, cop it. That's been a saying here on the set since we started this YouTube channel. That's been a mantra of mine ever since I started collecting sneakers again, because I just stopped for a long time. Long time. And we finally getting back to that point where sneakers are available, right? Why don't we keep the same? Okay, everybody biased. Well, not everybody, but for the most part, the game is all crazy, right? Because that mantra was, I only wear these because Michael Jordan wore them. Yeah, they had different colorways. That's cool, but at least he wore those. Now we have all of those and then some, but we don't keep the same energy because the hype. RTM's like, stop. If we didn't get bike air on the back of them joints, man, before, wouldn't nobody be rocking those. If Nigel didn't touch those, we wouldn't be wearing them. Let's be honest. Stop it, knock it off. It's not a bad shoe. Not at all. It's not a bad shoe at all. But if we want to follow that whole hype thing that, we got going here, that's really what it is. It's hype. I ain't mad at it because, again, in the end, whose money is it? Yours, not mine. So I'd be mad as hell too. Somebody was trying to tell me how to spend my money. But let's stop with the rhetoric. Let's stop the rhetoric of, oh, I only like these because of this reason. Cool, that's fine, but don't spin that narrative to everybody else. You don't have to justify your purchase because you go to work every day or you hustle, whatever. You get your money, right? So who are we to know why you spend it? If you like them shits, put them on, cop them, be happy about it, because in the end, it's a collection. We are in this game because we love sneakers. Gone are the days that we need to justify a purchase in 2024. That's just crazy to me. If you like Team Jordans, wear them. Stop following the hype and making reasons why you don't like something, or you just want to follow the hype because somebody else of influence does not like a shoe. That's crazy to me. That's weak, if you ask me. But we ain't here to do that. We here to talk about these shoes that, in the end, really, if they're not a numbered Jordan, 1 through 38 is what we on right now. 39, 38. Bro, if they not one of them, they Team Jordans. Sorry. I know it's a lot of people out there that just don't like to hear that, but realistically, they're Team Jordans because He ain't playing on them. They're not numbered like that. They're not in the timeline of that shoe. They're Jordan brand sneaker. They Team Jordans, man. So whether you like it or not, Jumpman Jacks, Team Jordans. Okay, the Travis Scott Lows. Yeah, it's a collab shoe. Collabs are a little different. But again, it's still the Jordan 1 Travis Scott low. Jordan 1. So I guess that's your justification in those, right? But realistically, all those other shoes that are Jordan brand-ish, yeah, they Team Jordans, bro. Hate to be the bearer of bad news for y'all, man, but they are Team Jordans. Please lose the stigma on Team Jordans. Granted, I'm not rocking the Team Jordans that's made for your local basketball team. Why? Because it ain't my cup of tea. I don't like them. And that's fine. But I'm not going to spin a narrative to make it seem like they're not a Jordan, because it is. It's got the Jumpman on it. It's got Jordan on it. Hell, half of them are mix-up, mashups of something. The MVPs, all those other shoes, bruh. Like, those are atrocious. But they comfortable, though. Yeah, those are different, because those actually had Formula 23 in for the sole on those, so it was kind of comfortable. And if I ain't mistaken, I think those were the first iteration of Jordan brand sneakers with Formula 23 in it before they put them in a number Jordan, I think. Or maybe not. Who knows? Fact check it on your own. I'm just saying, if they ain't 1 through 38, 39, whatever number we're on, in the Legacy series of MJ shoes, they Team Jordans. Stop playing yourself. They Jordans. Alright? Point blank period. You can be as snooty as you want, however you want. It's your money. But don't spin the narrative that something is something that it's not. Because in the end, they just sneakers. When you put them on your feet, the ground is the dirtiest thing ever. And you walk around on them with them $800-$900 sneakers on them. So some of y'all have sole protectors in them. Some of you don't. But again, it's just sneakers. This is all supposed to be fun, bro. Stop being so damn snooty. And if you like it, cop it. I'm your boy Money Mad Man. I'm gonna get on out of here and get off my soapbox for the day. You crazy sneakerheads, y'all need to chill. Let's get back to having fun. Sneakers are available now. If they ain't Travis Scott's or SB Dunks with a crazy collab. Some new Udos are coming out too. I ain't gonna get them because, yeah, they're just that rare. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I'm your boy Money Mad. Hit that like, subscribe button on your way out. Peace.